Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. So here we go. The results are in. So we will be going through an entire series or problem or function consecutively until further notice, until something else changes. So what we will start on next video is a video taking tkinter and making a tip calculator. So there are a couple things in there that we're going to throw in that and build upon our tkinter knowledge, and we'll go from there. So this is probably my favoriteest thing about this channel. I love it for a variety of reasons, but the feedback and the control of the direction. And then actually got a pretty cool comment of an idea for the next series. But I think that's going to be a little bit more complicated. But and we'll delve into that and we'll tackle that as always. So thank you guys very, very much. I can't believe at the progress that we are experiencing and the direction that we are going. And for those of you who've been around a long time, thank you to you, because you guys have started this journey, and everybody new who's here, I just want to say thank you. Had the most shares last month, had the most comments, most likes, most absolute everything in the past month. So that has everything to do with you guys and the feedback and helping me know the direction we need to go in. So just as always, thank you, thank you, thank you. So next video, we'll pick right up on this. We'll finish that out. Then we'll find a new one, and we'll go from there. So as always, guys, please drop any comments, questions, video requests, any concerns, anything that we're missing. Don't forget, this is your channel. And don't forget to make sure you're subscribing, liking, notification bell, and making sure you're joining that Patreon, because Chapter 1 is about to come out, and a whole bunch of videos going along with it. And that'll only be over there on Patreon. The book will be uploaded when complete on the website, but if you want to get the chapters before that happens, make sure you're joining over there on Patreon. So as always, guys, thanks for watching, stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video, and if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.